See you again on the Focus Android YouTube channel. This time I will discuss how to add a YouTube widget to the home screen of an Android phone. Here I have two ways, and the first way is a common way for all Android phone. You just need to press and hold on the YouTube apps. A pop-up will appear and there you will see a widget in the right corner. Then there will appear two types of widget option that you can choose. Here you can press and hold on one and then drag into your home screen. And the next method may be slightly different from each type of Android phone. Specifically here I'm using a Samsung phone, and the first step we need to do here is to press and hold on an empty area on the home screen of our Samsung phone. Then you can tap on the widget which will appear in the option at the bottom. And from the various application list that appears here, you can search for the YouTube application to add the widget. Here you can press and hold on one and then drag into your home screen.